Caloocan Representative Malapitan has gone on self-quarantine because his father, Caloocan Mayor Malapitan, tested positive for COVID-19. The lawmaker said he had been in close contact with his father. A few days into isolation, the legislator tested negative for the virus. Malapitan asked his supporters to pray for his father's recovery. He has decided to complete his 14-day self-quarantine while assuring constituents that the services to the Batang Caloocan will continue.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.